Enjoy stunning ocean views and the convenience of a ground floor location in this beautiful 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo at Atlantic East, 1 of Street, Augustine's premier oceanfront communities. This spacious residence features an open concept floor plan with a bright and inviting living area, a well-appointed kitchen, and a convenient wet bar perfect for entertaining. The primary suite offers serene ocean views, a large walk-in closet, and an ensuite bath with both a soaking tub and separate shower. The second bedroom is ideal for guests, providing privacy and comfort. Step outside to your private patio and take in the tropical landscaping, sparkling pool, and views of the Atlantic Ocean, perfect for morning coffee or evening relaxation. Residents of Atlantic East enjoy a gated entrance for added security, direct beach access, and resort-style amenities including a clubhouse with gym and library, tennis courts, elevators, and personal storage units. A dedicated parking space and plenty of guest parking complete the package. Come see why Atlantic East